infrastructure development is the core focus of the government, and steel sector contributes a major portion towards this national building. We have with us very special guest, the Union Steel Minister, Mr. Ramchandra Prasad Singh, to talk exclusively to DD News. Sir, thank you very much. Sir, as far as this sector is concerned, what is the current status of production and consumption in the country?
See, this sector is doing extremely well as far as production is concerned. If you take the figure of November production, we have achieved the highest ever production in steel. Earlier it was 72 million tons in 2018-19. Right now it is 78 million tons. So, production wise steel sector is doing well, and it has crossed pre-COVID level. This is about the steel sector as a whole, and since I am talking about steel, SAIL is a public sector undertaking. SAIL has also done extremely well as far as production is concerned. They have also performed the best so far, and their production is best ever. Their marketing is also best ever, and most important thing is their liability has come down drastically. As you know, in May 2020, it was more than 53,000 crore. Now it is less than 22,000 crore. So, borrowing reduction is more than 31,000 crore. And if you see their profit also, we have got the figure of September ending, and they have earned a profit after tax more than 8,154 crores. So, this sector has done well on this production you see field. But as far as consumption is concerned, because of COVID and so many other factors also, if you see the pre-COVID level, the steel consumption is at 99%. We are 1% below than pre-COVID consumption. But we are trying to ramp up our production, since when the production will go up, consumption will also pick up.
And I think, sir, this national infrastructure pipeline and Gati Shakti is going to have a more demand from the steel side when in the future. What do you see?
Yes, of course, because you see the Gati Shakti. Gati Shakti is all infrastructural projects, and all infrastructural projects, they require steel, and they require all kinds of steel. And as you are aware, our Prime Minister, he has given us this PLI scheme for specialty steel, for which our ministry is working. We have already conducted seminar, and everything has been tied up, and very soon we will be inviting invitations from the interested companies who would like to invest in this production of specialty steel in this country, because right now we are dependent on foreign countries for importing this specialty steel. But when this will come through, we will not only produce a specialty steel which will be requiring, but will be also in a position to export also.
So, what are the strategies for the import substitution, sir? Because that's very important for this area, and in order to become the Atmanirbhar in the steel sector, we need to reduce the dependence on the imports.
And that is what I told you, no? Because if you see our import in a steel sector, basically we make two kinds of imports. One is this specialty steel, and the other is we import coking coal for our production of steel, for diversifying our destination, coal destination. Right now we used to get most of the coking coal from Australia. So, we have signed MOU with Russia for importing coking coal, and very few days back Mongolian delegation was here. We will also be, we are also having discussion to import coal from Mongolia. So, we will have more diverse sources, and we will have more diverse sources, definitely we will get better price. And when we get better price, the import will come down. As far as India is concerned, we are very limited coking coal reserve. That is why we are dependent on coking coal for our this steel production. And next, as you said, about the special steel import, which we will be definitely meeting with our PLI scheme. So, in coming days, we have to find out ways how you see we have an option to diversify not only the source of coking coal, but also the other cheaper and better options.
Right, so thank you very much, sir. So, import substitution and the Atmanirbhar Bharat or Make in India is going to be the core focus as far as the steel sector is concerned. With camera person Kumar Datta, Ajay Mishra, DD News, New Delhi.